before this video is over, we're gonna get to hear this 496 stroker motor with 2.5-inch zoomies fire up. Since I built the zoomies, hadn't heard it run yet, but we're about to hear it run a little bit. You guys stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. You just don't. I'm Rat Rod Bob, by the way. Hey, good thing I don't work for Chip Food, so I'd be fired first day. Welcome back to a little shop where dreams come true. My name is Rat Rod Bob, and I build stuff.
We're the garage kings, the rulers of steel. Hot rods, rat rods, rolling on real. V8 rumble, the ground does dance. Best you've seen at every glance. Friends roll in, the school bell's near, but they just come to stand and cheer. Slick paint jobs and a drag race stance. Even teachers stop to steal a glance. White walls spinning, engines scream. Gasoline's the blood of this dream. In the rear view, the world goes small. We build fast, we build to brawl. We're the garage kings, the rulers of steel. Hot rods, rat rods, rolling on real. V8 rumble, the ground does dance. Best you've seen at every glance.
One more to weld up and get tacked back on, and I have the passenger side pretty much done. I still got to weld it to the flange. I got to tack to the flange. I got to weld them, but that's what we got. I mean, it looks terrible, don't it? But you know what? I don't care, because it's a rat rod. I put some stitches in it. I don't know if you can see them or not. Got some in it. But hey, if you're a professional welder and you want to weld yours up and look professional, perfect, that's fine with me, but I'm not a good welder. But it's going to hold. I guarantee you a leak somewhere. Going to be a leak somewhere, but hey, who cares? It's a rat rod. But yeah, it's going to look great. It's going to sound good too. That's 2.5 inch. That's 2.5 inch exhaust pipe those Zoomies are made out of. I think that's what they use on top fuel. I don't know, but I think it's gonna sound great. What say you? Okay, got the driver's side. Doggy. Got the driver's side bolted up. Man, it looks like crap. Who cares? It's a rat rod. I almost got them lined up. Yeah, not quite, but almost. Now I got this one ready to go on, passenger side ready to go on. See if we can put that on, and we're gonna put some carburetors on this thing and fire it up, see what those 2.5 inch Zoomies sound like. I'm sure it's gonna be loud, awesome. Yeah, that. Yeah, my best selling t-shirt, Rat Rodology. I showed you guys this shirt on the last video, and you guys stepped up, went and bought some, so I really appreciate it. Yeah, my merch page, link is in the description. Oh, I got a new cap too. Rat Rod Bob builds high performance, which is true, because if you look at my channel, just about everything I build is high performance. I don't build no low performance stuff. It has to be high performance. Rat Rod Bob builds. Check it out. Merch page, link in the description. And just so you know, all the proceeds from my merch goes to building hot rods and actually shooting videos. I mean, it costs money to make videos too, so I use it to buy a camera, whatever I need to make videos, so I can show you guys what I'm doing here. And the rest of it goes to hot rod part. So yeah, video equipment and hot rod parts. Proceeds go to that, just so you know. they had these stainless steel exhaust kits, 2.5 inch pipe for $135 a kit. I said, man, that's cheap. I just wanted to say, Temu, I mean, you might be scared to buy stuff, but hey, you can get your tubing anywhere you want. I don't care where you get it from. But if you're gonna build Zoomies, this is kind of how you're gonna have to do it right here. So there's that. So yeah, I'm gonna put a link in the description to Temu just in case you decide you want to try them out. So yeah, I got to put the rear end back in it soon. I got the Zoomies done. About to fire it up in a little while. Hey, that looks kind of rat rotted, don't it? I got that one pipe kind of crooked there. I need to straighten it up. But I got to get a stainless steel flat bar to weld across there to get them lined up. Don't have that. Got to order it. Yeah, rat rotted. I'm Rat Rotted Bob, by the way. Hey, good thing I don't work for Chip Food, so I'd be fired first day. Imagine that. Oh, I got the carburetors on it. Got the linkage. Just in case you're wondering what the linkage looks like on something like this. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I don't have no gas pumped in them yet. I still got to hook the fuel pump up. I got the spark plug wires on, coil wired, 184 36572 clockwise. Got that done. I got a battery hooked up to the starter. Because what I done, I pulled number one spark plug out, stuck my thumb in there, bumped it to blow pressure, and then I got this old number up to like 10 degrees before top dead center. Where the distributor was pointing, that's what I made number one. And then I noticed on the cap I already had number one marked on it. So, but hey, double check, never hurts to double check. I got my oil pressure gauge plumbed up. I got my fuel rail plumbed up. Oh, I still got to run a pump. I got to run a fuel pump right line to that to fill the carburetors up. I got to plug that vacuum line right there. That one's already plugged. The old carburetor's been sitting up a few months since the last time I fired this thing up. But yeah, rat rotty. This side looks a little straighter than the other side. Not much straighter, but a little bit. Hey, it's gonna be great. So that's 2.5 inch tubing. We're about to fire it up, see what it's gonna sound like. I still gotta hook the fuel up. I got, from my 6AL box, I got the main hot wire, ignition wire, and ground wire I gotta hook up. And everything else is wired up. It should fire up, get some gas in it. We're about to find out. About to find out. Starter button. Got it wired up. Yeah. All I gotta do, hook that boy to the positive on the battery. The other end's hooked to the starter. And just hit that button and spin it over. It's gonna be great. Yeah. Man, this camera, I know the sound is gonna be great. This camera is not gonna do it justice. It's gonna sound a whole lot better in person than what it does on this camera, just so you know. But we're gonna fire it up anyway and see. Okay, heater is shooting flames, gas can. Not a good idea. I guess I put the gas can on the inside. Burn the whole car down. Well, I got a fire extinguisher. We're gonna be fine. So I got the fuel pump. Man, might be a quart of gas in there. Okay, we need gas, so I'm gonna shut it down for tonight, come back tomorrow, get gas, fire this baby up. All right, gas tank inside. Yeah, Rat Rod Jr. just got me some gas, so we're about to fire it up. I think everything's ready. Just got to connect the wires, pump some gas on the carburetors and make sure they're still working. Should fire right up. Timing set. Got the spark plug wires on. 184, 365, 72. Whatever. I think I got it right. Alright, we're gonna let Rat Rod Jr. drive the camera. And we're gonna fire this thing up. Alright, we're fixing to fire this thing up. I'm gonna hook the fuel pump up. We got gas in the tank now. I got the fuel pump plumbed up. I'm gonna hook it up, see if we get some gas to the carburetor without it going. Oh, I got one more vacuum line to fix. Let me fix that, then we'll put gas in it. Yeah, I got it. That's good enough to fire it up. I'll get a plug for it later, cap, whatever you want to call it. All right, let me see if we got some gas up there to it. See, red's hot. You keep rolling. You rolling?
Yeah, rolling.
See what happens. It's running.
Yep.
Don't see no gas leaking nowhere. Wonder if it's pumping gas. Let me see. Nope, ain't no gas in them yet. I think we got gas now. Let's see. Yep. Hey, it's gonna fire up now. All right, I got wired up. I got hot and ground to the 6AL box. This is ignition for the 6AL, so I need connected there. It should run. I usually get a spark when I connect that, but I didn't, so it might have a problem, but we're gonna see. So, fuel pump, we got fuel up there, so I can hook this back up. Get the fuel pump running. And this should be ignition. It should fire up right there. Gotta have power for the start button. It should fire up right there.
Damn, how so much is loud.